All right, if you're planning for retirement, you really need to listen up. The entire rule book is changing, and it's changing fast. So in this explainer, we're going to break down all the crucial updates for 2026, and more importantly, what they actually mean for your money and your future. Let's dive right in.
So, you've probably seen a number just like this one floating around, $1.26 million. According to a lot of recent studies, that's the magic number that many Americans think they need to retire comfortably. It's a huge number, and for a lot of us, it kind of feels like the ultimate finish line.
But here's the critical question we all have to start asking ourselves as we look towards 2026. Is hitting that magic number really the end of the story? The answer, more and more, is a hard no. The game has totally shifted from just piling up a big mountain of cash to something much more strategic.
For years, for decades, the focus was all on one thing: accumulation. Just build that nest egg as big as you possibly can. But the new goal, the one that truly matters for 2026 and beyond, is all about income generation. It's no longer about the pile of money. It's about how you turn that pile into a reliable, predictable paycheck that can last for the rest of your life. You know, a paycheck that can handle inflation, rising healthcare costs, and the fact that we're all living longer.
So, to make that big shift, you have to know the new rules of the game. And believe me, there's a wave of regulatory changes that are completely reshaping the retirement landscape. Let's break down exactly what's changing.
First up, some really good news, especially for you aggressive savers out there. Contribution limits are getting a nice little boost. So if you're under 50, you can now sock away $24,500 in your 401k. And for those of us 50 and over, the catch-up contribution is a very healthy $8,000. This is a huge opportunity to really accelerate your saving.
Now, for a really big one, this is a major change for high earners, and it's coming from the Secure 2.0 Act. Starting in 2026, if you're over 50 and your FICA income, that's basically what you pay Social Security and Medicare taxes on, was $150,000 or more in the previous year, your catch-up contributions must go into a Roth account. This is huge. It means you pay taxes on that money now, but it grows and comes out completely tax-free in retirement. This is a game changer, and it requires some serious tax planning.
And get this, the changes aren't just coming from the federal level. 21 states will now have retirement mandates in place or in the works. This is a really big deal for expanding access to retirement plans, especially for folks who work at small businesses who maybe haven't had a workplace plan before. We're talking about millions of new savers potentially coming into the system.
Okay, with all these new rules flying around, you might be thinking, so what on earth do I do now? Don't worry, we've got you. Let's break this down into a simple, actionable plan that you can literally start today.
It really all boils down to these 3 steps: assess, define, and leverage. This is your framework. This is how you build a retirement plan that's actually tailored to you and is ready for this new landscape in 2026.
Step 1 is all about getting real. You need to create a complete, no-holds-barred financial snapshot of your life. That means every single bank account, every debt, every asset, and every source of income. This isn't just about figuring out your net worth. It's about creating that solid foundation, that baseline from which every other decision is going to be made.
Okay, next up, you've got to define what retirement actually looks like for you. And this is the real heart of the whole planning process. Do you see yourself hanging it up early, at 62, or working a little longer? Are you dreaming of moving somewhere new or staying put? Your vision for your lifestyle and how you plan to handle those huge costs like healthcare, that's what's going to dictate the income you actually need.
And finally, step 3 is all about using the incredibly powerful tools we have at our fingertips today. Modern planning software, some of it even powered by AI, can run all these different what-if scenarios for you. Like, what if the market tanks? Or what if inflation stays high? It can stress test your plan and help you figure out the absolute best time to claim Social Security. This is how you go from just guessing to actually knowing.
So once you have your plan in place, the work isn't over. The retirement industry itself is evolving, and it's offering brand new tools to help you succeed. So let's look at a few key trends that are going to help you future-proof your strategy.
One of the biggest trends you're going to hear more and more about is in-plan income solutions. Now, that sounds like a bunch of jargon, but think of it as a new feature for your 401k that helps solve that core problem we talked about, turning your savings into a paycheck. We're seeing more things like annuity marketplaces and managed accounts that can help automate this whole process for you.
Look,
Your retirement paycheck is not likely to come from just one place. It's going to be a blend of a bunch of different streams. You'll probably have Social Security, maybe a pension if you're lucky, withdrawals from your 401k, and maybe even income from an annuity. The whole goal is to make all these different pieces work together like a well-oiled machine.
And let me tell you, how you take your money out is just as important as how you put it in. This is where smart tax planning is absolutely crucial. Withdrawals from a traditional 401k, they get taxed as regular income. But qualified withdrawals from a Roth, completely tax-free. The choices you make here can literally add years of income to your retirement.
And of course, we can't talk about retirement without talking about healthcare. It's one of the biggest, most unpredictable expenses we'll ever face. A truly solid plan has to include looking at things like Medicare supplements, considering long-term care insurance, and squeezing every drop of value out of a health savings account, or HSA. Seriously, HSAs have a triple tax advantage. It's a powerhouse for medical expenses.
Now, you can do a lot of this analysis yourself, for sure. But there are definitely times when bringing in an expert can make all the difference in the world. So when should you pick up the phone and call a pro?
Here are a few key moments. If your situation is getting complex, maybe you have a pension, a 401k, and other investments all over the place, or you have significant assets that need careful tax planning, or even complicated family dynamics, a professional advisor can be invaluable, especially when it comes to a tricky decision like optimizing Social Security.
And this right here really sums it all up. Your retirement plan isn't something you create once, check the box, and then shove in a drawer. It's a living, breathing document. You should be pulling it out and reviewing it every single year to make sure it's still on track as your life changes, as the markets change, and as the rules themselves continue to change.
So as we wrap this up, I want to leave you with this one final thought. We spend so much of our lives creating a plan for retirement, but as we all start living longer and longer lives, the real question is this: have you created a plan for longevity? That's the challenge, but it's also the opportunity that awaits us in 2026 and beyond. I really hope this explainer was helpful. Thanks for tuning in.